If you want to achieve this beginner's look, please keep watching. So first, let's get this hair right, girl. This spray bottle is just a mixture of water and olive oil. Y'all already know what she about to do with this headband. Y'all can tell this is my favorite moisturizer because I pretty much ran out.
Ooh, child, the ghetto.
So this is all that I do to my edges. That's probably why I actually have edges.
The shade!
Next is NYX primer spray. We're gonna spray that all over our face. This is MAC Lightful C with SPF 30 in the shade Dark Plus, with a drop of Fenty Beauty 370. Look at that perfect match. Don't forget that neck too, girl. LA Pro Concealer in shade Fawn. Now we're taking the shade Pure Beige for under the eyes and the bridge of the nose. Now we're going to set with my Perfect Color. This is a Primark brand powder. Now time for the MVP Max Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark Deep. Yeah, we're going to put this bit all over. Time to blush her up with the e.l.f. blush palette. Now it's time for the glow up with Wet n Wild highlighting powder.
You blind now.
Now it's time to line the lips with Rimmel London in the color Coffee Bean. Now we're going to take Jordana Lipstick in the color Mauve. And for the inner lips, Wet n Wild in the color Think Pink. For mascara, I use CoverGirl So Lashy Blast Pro. To set, we will be using e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. Spray it all over, girl.
Ooh, she fancy.
Alright, let's get changed. Alright, and that's the finished look. Thank you for watching. Bye!